Hey everyone, welcome back to American English Podcast. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sophia. New listeners, hit subscribe and drop a like. Today, we're turning your daily news habit into a professional pronunciation powerhouse.
Sophia,
I have a question that's been bugging me for months.
What is it?
Why do I understand every word when I listen to NPR News, but when I try to speak about the same topics, I stumble over basic pronunciation?
The passive listening trap.
Exactly. I consume hours of news podcasts daily.
But your speaking ability doesn't improve.
My vocabulary is amazing. I know geopolitical, infrastructure, bilateral agreements.
But can you pronounce them clearly at native speed?
No, that's the frustration.
What if your daily news habit could actually give you the pronunciation of a professional broadcaster?
That's the dream.
It's achievable by isolating complex vowel shifts found in current events.
This routine turns standard news scripts into sophisticated shadowing drills.
Stop settling for basic conversations.
Start using our 15-minute daily news summary to unlock pro-level vocal clarity and speed.
Start transforming passive listening into active fluency.
Let's explain why passive news consumption creates a plateau.
You listen to global news podcasts every morning.
BBC World Service, NPR, The Daily.
You understand everything perfectly.
But your speaking fluency doesn't improve at all.
Why? Because listening doesn't create muscle memory.
Your ears recognize words, but your mouth doesn't know the movements.
It's like watching basketball tutorials.
You understand the game intellectually,
But your body can't execute the moves.
same with language.
And here's the specific frustration.
You understand high-level political vocabulary perfectly.
Infrastructure, sanctions, negotiations, regulatory framework.
But in a business meeting, you stumble over the pronunciation.
You know what you want to say.
But your mouth can't deliver it smoothly.
This creates professional embarrassment.
You sound less competent than you actually are.
So we transition from passive consumption
To the 15-minute high-intensity vocal workout.
active practice that builds real muscle memory.
Let's explain the 15-minute clock into 3 precise blocks.
This structure is absolutely critical for effectiveness.
Block 1, minutes 0 to 5, strategic script selection.
Find a breaking news story from today's headlines.
March 2026 headlines work perfectly for current practice.
Choose stories with maximum diverse phonetic challenges.
The third Federal Reserve rate decision affects global markets.
Packed with TH sounds, R sounds, complex multisyllable words.
Rural infrastructure reform package passes Senate committee.
Multiple R clusters, difficult vowel shifts, compound terms.
Don't choose simple headlines like President Speaks Today.
Too easy, no challenging sounds.
Choose complexity. Cryptocurrency regulatory framework restructuring.
That's a mouthful that builds serious skill.
Block 2, minutes 5 to 10. Intensive phonetic isolation.
This is where the magic happens.
Don't read the whole article yet.
First, identify the absolute hardest phrases in the headline.
The third quarter growth theory implementation.
Circle or highlight that phrase.
Practice just that phrase 20 times in isolation.
Slow first. The third quarter growth theory.
Medium speed, the third quarter growth theory.
Full speed. The third quarter growth theory.
Feel your tongue mastering the TH to R transitions.
Another challenging phrase. Rural reform regulations restructure.
Isolate those R transitions specifically.
Your tongue curls, relaxes,
This targeted repetition builds automatic muscle memory.
Block 3, minutes 10 to 15. Full performance mode.
Now, read the complete paragraph at actual broadcast speed.
Shadow the original professional news anchor recording.
Match their exact rhythm, pace, and authority.
Don't just read, perform like you're the anchor.
Imagine you're delivering the news to millions.
This creates professional vocal quality.
And this creates a consistent daily habit loop.
Same time every single morning without deviation.
Before coffee works for some people.
With coffee works for others.
During commute is perfect for many.
Find your 15-minute window and protect it.
Treat it like a non-negotiable appointment.
15 minutes of focused, intense practice.
Every single day, without any exception.
This consistency compounds into extraordinary results.
Let's isolate the TH and R transitions in common news headlines.
The third growth theory threatens economic stability.
Count the TH sounds. There are 5 in this one headline.
The, tongue between teeth, air flows over.
Third, TH sound at the beginning of the word.
Theory, TH sound right in the middle.
Threatens, another initial TH.
That's a TH workout in one sentence.
Practice the phrase slowly first, exaggerating each TH.
The third quarter growth theory.
Feel your tongue touching your teeth 5 separate times.
Now at medium speed, reducing the exaggeration. The third quarter growth theory.
Now at full broadcast speed with natural pronunciation. The third quarter growth theory threatens economic stability.
Your tongue should move automatically now.
Next challenging headline, rural reform requires regulatory review.
This is an extreme R challenge. 4 R sounds.
Rural, your tongue curls twice in one word.
Reform, strong initial R sound.
Requires, 2 R sounds.
Regulatory, another initial R plus middle R.
Practice the critical transition between words.
Rural, reform.
Feel your tongue curl for rural, relax briefly, curl again for reform.
Requires regulatory.
The tongue stays active, curling repeatedly.
Now use advanced rapid shadowing techniques.
Play the actual accent news anchor audio recording.
Shadow simultaneously, not after they finish.
This is concurrent shadowing, not echo shadowing.
Match their exact rhythm in real time.
Professional news anchors have perfectly controlled timing.
Their pace is steady, measured, authoritative, confident.
Mirror that exact energy and tempo.
You're not just copying words, you're embodying their professional delivery.
Now we transition from general flow to micro-level precision.
Let's focus on subtle vowel distinctions.
Geopolitical terms often have complex vowel patterns.
Negotiations, 5 syllables, 3 different vowels.
Negotiations.
Pay attention to each vowel sound.
Infrastructure, 4 syllables, vowel shifts.
Infrastructure.
The vowel in is different from A in fra.
Financial reporting vocabulary. Regulatory framework.
Regulatory framework.
Multiple vowel changes in rapid succession.
This is where accents become heavy.
Non-native speakers often neutralize all vowels to schwa
Regulatory framework, all schwas.
instead of clear, distinct vowels.
Now, the staircase method.
What's that?
Building vowel clarity step by step.
Step 1. Exaggerate each vowel.
Regulatory framework.
Step 2. Reduce exaggeration slightly. Regulatory framework.
Step 3. Natural speed with maintained clarity. Regulatory framework.
Each vowel stays distinct even at full speed.
Practice high front vowels. Treaty, media, regime.
Tongue high and forward in mouth.
Practice low back vowels. Policy, conflict, dollar.
Tongue low and back in mouth.
Moving between them rapidly. Media policy. Treaty conflict.
Your tongue travels from front to back quickly.
This trains vocal agility.
Now let's implement the record and replace technique.
What's that?
After your 15-minute session, record yourself.
Read the same news paragraph.
Then play it back immediately.
Compare to the original broadcast.
What sounds different? Where do you hear gaps in clarity?
Maybe your R sounds are weak.
Maybe your TH becomes S or T.
Identify one specific error.
Tomorrow's session focuses on fixing that.
This is targeted improvement.
Not random practice.
Now, maintaining this routine in busy 2026 schedule.
Use AI-driven news summaries.
Apps like Curated News or Daily Brief.
They provide 2-minute audio summaries.
Perfect length for shadowing practice.
Play during breakfast.
Shadow while getting ready for work.
15 minutes fits anywhere.
Morning shower, commute, lunch break.
Consistency matters more than perfection.
7 days of 15 minutes beats 1 day of 2 hours.
Here's your immediate challenge.
Right now, find today's top news headline.
Any major news website or app.
Read the headline out loud 5 times.
First time, slow, careful pronunciation.
Second time, medium speed.
Third time, fast, broadcast speed.
Fourth time, record yourself.
Fifth time, listen back and identify one improvement area.
Tomorrow, repeat with a new headline.
By day 7, compare day 1 to day 7.
The difference will be dramatic.
Now apply to live conversation.
In your next meeting, use one news vocabulary term.
Based on current infrastructure trends,
Notice how much clearer you sound.
your pronunciation practice directly transfers.
To professional speaking situations, from passive to pro with a 15-minute daily news routine.
Passive listening creates fluency plateau without muscle memory.
Understanding vocabulary doesn't equal pronunciation ability.
15-minute workout divided into 3 5-minute blocks.
Script selection, phonetic isolation, performance.
Choose breaking news with diverse phonetic challenges.
The third growth theory, rural reform.
Rapid shadowing aligns rhythm with professional anchors.
Drill subtle vowel shifts in geopolitical terms.
Use staircase method for high front to low back vowels.
Record and replace technique audits your progress.
AI-driven news summaries fit busy schedules.
Consistency beats perfection. Daily 15 minutes.
Challenge: shadow today's headline 5 times and record 4th attempt.
Apply news vocabulary to live conversations.
Subscribe to American English Podcast for more professional fluency techniques. Transform your news habit into pronunciation mastery.
See you next time.
Take care.